Alright, so today I'm back with the EP3. It's gonna be a short little video. I recently picked up a pretty rare exhaust for it. As you know, right now there's like a cheap eBay exhaust on this thing and it sounds like loud, raspy, and drones a lot on the highway. So yeah, gonna replace that with this rare NEUSPEED exhaust. These have not been made for a while, but yeah, NEUSPEED mainly makes parts for like German cars and stuff, so it's all really good quality, thick metal. This one's used. I picked it up probably like an hour away from me, but it seems to be in really good condition. Dual speed, dual tip. It says NEUSPEED right there, and it goes all the way from the end of the headers to the muffler. So yeah, currently gonna just do like a before sound clip, gonna then jack up the car, take it off, and install the new one. So yeah. So yeah, as you heard, that was pretty raspy, especially like once I got above 3,000 RPM, started to be pretty raspy. Idle is bearable, it's fine, it's a little loud, so yeah, this thing should make it quieter and hopefully we'll take out the drone and rasp. Yeah, not that long ago I replaced the camber arm, Megan one. The Godspeed one that I had was garbage. But yeah, let's see. How's the sway bar holding up? Pretty good. Camera's fighting with the lighting, but it still looks good over there. So yeah, next step is gonna be to get this exhaust out. So I'm just gonna start with the muffler, undo the two bolts. Let me see if I can show you guys. Yeah, there's two bolts right there. Camera doesn't want to show you it, but yeah, it's gonna get those two bolts out, and then there's gonna be an exhaust hanger, two exhaust hangers on this side of the bumper. All right, well, here is the eBay exhaust. You can see why it's all raspy. I think it's just ruined from the inside out, but I will lose some horsepower running this. I don't know, maybe like 5 to 10. Hopefully it's not that much, but yeah, I mean, that's the cost of running a smaller, more quieter exhaust. So yeah, now I have a little bit of a decision to make, because these are the gaskets that were on the eBay one, right? And well, I gotta go to the store to get new ones. Except this car currently open headers, and there's no one that can drive me, so I gotta figure out something about that. All right, well, the crisis with the gaskets averted. I was able to go to AutoZone and get copper RTV, and I did not record installing the exhaust just because my neighbors were outside, so it'd be a little weird talking to the camera. But there it is, just copper RTV installed the same way that it was taken off. But there's one major setback with this exhaust, which makes me hate it. and that is that the exhaust is literally behind the fucking lip. I can't, that's so annoying. I can't rock around like that, you know? Either if I'd be able to like somehow extend it to go farther out, or I'm going to take that lip off. But dang, that really sucks. Well, anyways, I'll think of something and get the car back on the ground, and we'll see how this exhaust sounds. All right, so I went on eBay and I just ordered this. This should hopefully like extend the exhaust about 2 inches, which will hopefully make it better, because even without the lip, it's still pretty tucked. I'm not sure if it could be because of the headers. I don't think so, just because with the other exhaust, it stuck out fine. So yeah, hopefully that little like flange extension thing we'll be able to put right there. Oh, yeah, hopefully I'll be able to put that little extension right there, and then that'll just push everything towards the back, and hopefully we'll fix this goofy fitment. So yeah, I'm gonna put the lip back on and just drive like that for a week until that part comes in. So yeah, next step, put the lip back on, put the wheels on, lower the car, and see how she sounds. Well, it definitely sounds a lot quieter than the other one. Definitely a lot less rasp, a lot more of like engine tone to it. But yeah, I'll wait for another day. I'll try and do some flybys. I'll drive-bys and stuff when Amontis is back from school. So yeah, stay tuned. Okay, it's dark, but it's gonna be Amontis's first reaction to it. You ready?
Yeah. Nice.
That's
quiet.
Dude, this is as loud as it gets.
I love that.
Yeah.
There's Rex.
All right, we're gonna do an actual showcase of the exhaust when there's light out. All right, so it's been a couple days. The bracket came, it's from eBay. It's just like a 2.5 inch like this, and then it's I'm pretty sure it says it's like a 2.2 inches thickness wise. This bracket is just gonna go right there in between where the muffler meets the mid pipe, and hopefully this will give us the well, hopefully it'll just give me that look I want in the back. Also got to somehow shift the muffler more over this way, and hopefully the mowing in the background won't be too loud. So let me get to it.
Okay, well, according to Alex, the spacer was not enough, so it doesn't stick out far enough. Probably needs like another 2 inches of anything.
Another what?
2 inches probably.
To get it out?
If you want it to where you want it at.
At least, no, I think like at least an inch, inch and a half.
Nah, 2 inches. Yeah, it needs to go out 2 inches.
Oh well.
A lot of fucking wrestling with it too. That's annoying. But, sounds good. That's what matters.
Well, we don't know. Now that we installed the eBay, is it gonna sound like an eBay exhaust? Right?
It's gonna rasp that shit up.
It probably is. That's some thin garbage metal. And I paid like $35 probably for that.
Yeah.
That little garbage.
Yep. Plasma cuts and fucking plasma welds on that thing.
Plasma welds?
Yeah.
Not no Marsh built?
No, dude.
No Marsh built. eBay built.
So.
Half our subscribers probably know what March built is.
Exactly.
No, because we got SVO people.
Yep, but I'll throw the wheel on, go for a test drive. Hopefully it sounds good. Get some flybys of this bitch.
Yeah, we got. Did you bring the drone?
It's charging at my house.
Okay, so we can get it later.
Yeah.
We got the shop upgrade in the back.
Got the fucking light green drill press. So they're straight out of the fucking
man.
60s, dude.
Emerald.
Straight out of the 60s. It's like that fucking socket set that you have.
Yeah,
Same exact color.
I bought it from someone whose like mom is like a lawyer or something like that for like some deceased client. So like some old lawyer guy, deceased client. I don't know. In other words, I got it from a dead old guy. So that's how you know it's a good tool.
Yeah, it's the same situation as this car right here, from a dead guy. We got
All right, so as always, we got to get our local neighbor's opinion on this.
We got a Brendan cameo again.
Oh yeah.
Yo,
Did you hit lats earlier today? What's going on? Why are you walking like that?
I'm fucking sweating out my ass, dude. It's dripping down to my feet. I don't have AC in that car, yo. It's hot as shit.
I don't got AC either.
Race car.
You know the struggle? Fuck, dude, at least you guys have shorts and stuff on. Alright, let's see. Oh, fucking hell. It doesn't start? Ooh, okay. It is quiet.
It's all engine. It's all engine. Running a bit rich there.
Is it gonna melt the bumper?
That's what I was saying. Yeah, dude, it smells like a fucking carbureted car back here.
I gotta get rid of that O2 sensor, the defouler.
The defouler, yeah.
Yeah.
Yo, that shit's like...
That's what I was saying. Might melt it.
That thing is fucking on there. Oh, wait, dude, it's touching.
Yeah.
It's gonna hold the lip. Don't worry. It's gonna hold the lip. The old one actually melted a little bit. But yeah, it's gonna hold the lip now.
Yeah.
How'd it sound? I don't know. I haven't even heard it.
It sounds good.
Outside.
It's mostly engine now, though.
You know what I think it's missing? What's that? I think I gotta put the crackle tune back on it.
No. No. Yo, I mean, you can hear the intake noise loud as hell.
Dude, it sounds like a turbo spooling up when I'm actually on the street.
It sounds so good.
All right.
Under load, it's gonna sound different too. Like,
Yeah.
It's just gonna sound great.
All right, we're gonna go do some flybys once the guy comes picks up parts.
Yeah, drone shot.